Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to change your language display settings between English, Spanish, or French. So first you want the vehicle on, and then just wait a few minutes for all of this to load. We're going to be using these controls here today. This will go forward and this will go backwards, so basically a right or left for all intents and purposes. So now that it's on, I'm just gonna be pushing right or this, left, whichever, till you get to this screen here. So we're on this screen now. We're gonna go up or down just by doing this. So we're gonna scroll down and keep going down until you see language or idioma or whatever it is you need. And then we'll push enter. So we're push enter. And then same thing up or down till you get to the language you need, and then you'll push enter again to select, and then it automatically updates, and there's nothing else you need to do. So obviously I speak English, so I'm going to switch it back to English, but I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.